All right, I have the PUR replacement filters for my PUR water filtration system, and I'm going to be replacing the old filter out with a new one. Now, as you know, PUR, it purifies 2 times more contaminants than Brita. PUR does not filter microbes. It reduces chlorine for a great taste. So this is the 3-pack that I have right here, and it shows you how it goes in and what it actually purifies. All right, so right here, it's a pretty easy way to do this. It says rinse the filter for about 15 seconds, insert the filter and twist to locked. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do exactly that. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove the old filter that I have in here. You see this one? That's the old filter. I'm just going to twist it and pull this out and discard of this filter. In the meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and open up the new pack of PUR filters and pull out one of the packets right here. It says it's good for 2 months right here. It says rinse filter with cold water for 15 seconds before use, insert filter and twist lock. Carbon dust is normal in first filling. Press and hold the filter change light for 5 seconds if you have one of those to reset to green light. It says tip, add a repeating reminder on your phone now to replace your PUR filter every 2 months. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and pull this out, and I'm going to take this over to the sink and rinse it for 15 seconds. And what this does is for 15 seconds, rinsing it under cold water, it rinses away some of the loose carbon dust, as well as it activates the carbon filter and gets it ready to be used. All right, so let me go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse this for 15 seconds to remove some of the carbon dust and to activate the carbon that's in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So cold water. So I'm going to do this for 15 seconds. It's a little splattering everywhere, so I'm just going to use this right here. Just get it nice and wet inside of there. So I'm just going to do this for 15 seconds in order to get it nice and wet in there. It's almost been 15 seconds. Make sure that you get it thoroughly. It's going to wash away some of that dust. Just like that. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 15 seconds. So now I'm going to insert this inside of the Brita filter, and then I'm going to fill it up with water. Let's go do that. All right, so it's been 15 seconds of me rinsing it, and so what I'm going to do is what the instructions said. I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to twist it until it locks. And it's locked into place. It will not come out. And now I'm going to fill this up with water, just like this, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so now I'm going to fill this up with water. Fill this up all the way to the top, show you. And the water is going to start to seep through the new Brita filter that I put in there. And it's going to be absorbing all of the contaminants that it says that it would absorb. Okay, so I'm going to fill this up. Just like this. It's almost up there. I can see a little bit of the carbon floating around at the top, but they said a little bit of that is perfectly normal with when you first put the new insert inside of there. So I'm filling this up. It's almost filled up to the top. I'm going to go ahead and turn the water off, and then I'm going to replace the cap on this, and just like that, I was able to replace the filter on the PUR water filter. As soon as the water drips down through the filter, it'll be ready to drink. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.